Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your name on Stumble guys. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download Stumble guys on your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually do that, you will have even the option of playing Stumble guys on your PC. If you are interested, just go and check one of our videos in this channel on how to do that exactly. So of course, when you're done, just go and open the game. So you may notice that's my game open directly. Don't panic or anything. I already had it open. For you, it will need to load a bit and log in into your account. And if it's your first time, it will create your account for you. Because this game, you just download it and start playing. You don't need to log in or create your account or anything. Of course, if you have some skins and you want to keep them, when you change your phone, you will just need to connect with your Facebook or Google Play and then connects with the same in your new phone. So of course, how to change your name on Stumble guys? Simply you'll need to go at the top right corner or left corner and click at your name right here. Then you'll need to click at the pin uh, icon at the top right corner, and from here, as you can see, your name is displayed to other players. I was changing it, so maybe not this anyway. So when we click on the pin here, we would like or we'll be able to write whatever you want. So for me, I would like to change it to this one as an example. And as you see, as you saw, it was with color. So of course, if you want to change it to color, you could check one of our videos in the channel on how to do that. So just make sure to go and check it out. Now all you need to do, just go and click on free, and let me just change this name. We can like make it this. Of course, you can just click on free and it will be changed. For me, I'm not going to do that right now. So for you, of course, if it's the first time, it will be for free. The second time, you will need some gems to do that. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.